people like that, no, Elidia,
Eboa.
You need more discerning people. So what I say, Lawyer Justin Kodua. Excuse me. The first name, no, there.
A lawyer. He's a learned
Oyakola.
He's a learned
No, Oyakola. And let me tell you once again, party ni da hono. Yechiche party nyo ne nyoma bibia wombia ne yeche enti appointment kura no. O ya yese hwe ne regional balance. We hwe ne regional wia na wa hwe ye hwa to the level say even edu baby kura ye hwe the kind of personal baby a ufri a ye di position ne ye den e dey ma wo. Ni ye kwa koto aba. Akoyi national chairman, akoyi national secretary, and others. Na yeti asante ye ka kire ye ho se ana ye de hwahwa ye ho ana se ne tie no sa na wo se ye ka no NPP party no any asante
sure oh
boa enyin ko ba bia pesa be de me pacho
mon ka ho
me pacho akuma mini ba bia wo free ba
mon ka ho
mini ba bia wo free ba but no
asante
men ka ho men ka ensehunu me obi di nsehunu a men ka
ensehunu sa mafu ni Ghana hana
a me ka masem se de esitie sa asante ni ba
osafu mafu sa mon ka
what you say
mo de mon ka ho kra mo ye tira na ma yire
ba we e prepare mpa
mira ote kokko so
na
babo mo so na
me na bi na no
hwe emre bi atwam free yewura Agyenim Boateng penso obey general secretary no always looks like eba asante na chairmanship no akọ two places akọ either northern region or greater Accra mebwa party asante party no presidents upon president, leaders upon leaders, even Freddie Blair or TOCCIA or your national chairman obiena no 100 times obeka che say NPP party no the stronghold of the party is in Ashanti region.
Akuma FM
ni ye kwa elections of this nature na ye die ba ko pe say general secretary no ye fama ya obi si na de ofira mekom ene de ofira mekom enti obia betwam sante ha e de asante be for no ho no de akoye no hu yie owia no adan na chi and as me can dia mamma nuanom asante for say time has come say mumma yesu ye nkura ye die mu ye ne yekutade
Akuma FM
maybe obia aje ba kom de wa me ho pa asante ni say I have a king.
Yeah.
How many countries know a king? You are a king. I have a king. In a person of Nana Otikoko so Pimso Tumfo. What you say? Entino asante say ye de yenua Ketua Jackson Kodua and ye de nekro. Na me ka semba kokofi. Hwe asante aye record bi.
Yeah.
Sa record me kan ne. Asante do nipa.
Oh sure.
Ye wo do sonko. Hwe o ka ye rakofo.
Yeah.
Emra na ye ra akufo ado ba be president no. Unsa asante fo bi class solitia ye rakofo den say on support ye rakofo ado.
Yeah.
Mebwa.
That's true.
We anyan tro na mita na nya ye open ayi. So alancha matin kojo chamatin tino asante fo ye akan ye asante ya ye koto aba aye di ko che who should lead the party no say na ye alan kojo chamatin ya asante re
Akuma FM
akoso mampanyimfo bi kura na ni kwan say ya attack wo mu no ya attack ye hwe mama sanya another example.
Okay.
Former youth organizer and presidency vice president office Gideon Boako
Gideon, yeah.
Ofi Asante Ofri Asante. Otie.
Yeah, or you be.
Ofri Buna Hafo.
Yeah.
Naso so no.
Oba be youth organizer.
Oba ma ye no so peja no ma ne be youth organizer wa Asante. Yenia Penny General Secretary Cabinet Japan. Se President Akufo-Addo nti pa na Cabinet no ye sacrifice Cabinet. Anu sumi twan true. What I say? Cabinet was sacrificed. Now my respecting the power also for so many years he has remained silent, quiet.
Yeah. Also ni na katu akra wo muntu ama. Na entitlement
as pato eno kra de yan fa to nne ye de Asante sin akobie wa
Akuma FM.
Wo se de en enti se party no da ho no sa mo se mo fa general secretary ne maye se de nipa bi so de nam abontene sa se mo de mi ebia di minti meka ne me kai pass zuba ya ko adwura na me ho my me confidence me kwa kowini regional organizer no mato aso because my power ana meboa me free wo ma mutena regional mo ka se jana dum
yeah
nyame na meka mo na mo sora mo se jana dum as you could adwura na list bi na madwura say yes when na president si wo pe no and let's say any bio
koso
koso
president list
Mr. Asante region delegates chairman for secretary for youth organizers women organizers ye nua ye de ba ko power ko tomu any lawyer Jasin Kodua meaning say Edmond ka ho but a first vice position
ineffective organizer
no there you can't bet it. What I say? Me Nana B, me ni or a fine gentleman, you can handle it. What I say? But yeah, key position.
Yeah.
Key position. And the key positions are only two. The chairmanship and then secretary. Asante why the ko yin so call chairman. Asante why the yin so call chairman. It is a near the Jasin Kodua kwa. Mesre Onwa ase you onim
say president
and nam say president see yan fama yan koto ban fama papa mo friend say
intim
ye general secretary
na wa
Jomboadu
wa general secretary
na menton wo office da obeko office no Sir John no operative from office day in and day out even Cabinet Japan say na Cabinet office and kadian ye say ye panabo no na nka omu ko 10 wo party office. What I say? It means that day in and day out no operative from party office. Me John Board maintain no office that.
I see.
The last time I'm to no office no, about office was around 8 o'clock. Meaning say Ghana she here juma from 6 to 6.
About
enumerate 8 and I'm got to no. And pokra no me nya kwan ni na ehia.
I see.
And I'm be there me free
Akuma FM.
Because I don't see why I was me cutting baby for more than 4-5 hours just to see one person.
Your own general secretary.
Me time no me use e de bo me bra enu nti na hu me amaye kama wo se maye kama no o ka se maye de no me bo me ankasa me bra.
Okay.
O ti ase na me pese me Asante for say ye nua panyini Jomboadu ena wo se ofura me kom ena na so kofo bi di nam say president see ono no ope no anya president nya open statement na Ghana fo nyina hu say president say ma select me team na say president so me select team dia anya na the best we can do ni say yenya elections ne ko because president no party ni na wo no what I say enti say no ono kasa obi anya den nka bi
okay
na ne on fa ni general secretary no fa ni chairman and then all aka nka ho ne form nkotena no mu share the affairs of the party above all no another thing na enunti
wrap up
I was a Jomboadu ko and they say one common thing wa fairly and they say 8 years down the line party need him the membership drive.
I see. Which is what the NDC are doing.
Now, mema juma. And as I say, no, it should be open to every constituency. Constituency executives, we are no entrance, no creative party cars, and farmer the constituencies. Yenya sir. General Secretary Biaba, who open up, say yenya membership drive. Now, what sign you signature? Because who but here, who be regional secretary, who to me sign it. Ebe free slow na here then. Aba. 8 years party need him the membership drive.
Thank you very much. I think say you be nyamre to interrogate that
boy basana name or doubt to say John Boydu amokomni na me prove a chance John Boydu famoko.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. We a cookie story bia ha. Won't you improve anything? 86 one and a wo zuba. Who be who say John Boydu free? Amokom. Uni ma asante abakosem. Na me ibu abasadi sie de minimum Minia, Sanya way no. And I'm a man example. Allow him. Me man example. And some other can story no.
Yes, sign for me
because Omwa, you want to phobia or we can send some no. Okay. And my Mr. Man in your clear.
Thank you.
Me say Asante Jigidu Abuako. Eya ne yedie. Asante Jigidu Abuako. Eya ne yedie.
Me sure say John Boydu famoko. Okwa asen memwa. One year we free